when any of the tops decide to stick and you can't really fold them, they just stick to themselves like that right after you dry them, there's one solution. Go ahead, put the shirt in hot water and start opening it slowly while inside the water, and that should help. Remember to use hot water. Okay, we see over here it was already tagged pretty tight. Make sure the water is hot. I mean, you should be able to put your fingers in. If it's not opening up, add some more hot water to it and just leave it there. Just added more hot water so it's hard to just grab it. Let me deal with that. Goodness. And it gets easier. The end result. Thank you.